Good morning to all. I am Dr. C. Andal, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. I am going to present the topic Coulomb's law in Unit 1 of the subject Electricity and Magnetism. The content of the topics are introduction about electrostatics, charge and its properties, Coulomb's law, electric field, electric potential. Let us see about the introduction. What is electrostatics? It is the branch of physics to study about the charges at rest. That is, it is the study of stationary electrical charges or electric fields which are opposite to the electric current. Now, let us go into see about what is charge. Charge, it is found experimentally that there are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. When we rub two bodies with each other, there is a transfer of electrons from one body to another body. The body which loses its electron becomes positive charge, and the body which gains electrons from the first body becomes negative charged. The unit of the charge is Coulomb. Next one is properties of charges. Like charges repel and unlike charges attract. That is, positive charges repel to each other, negative charges also repel to each other, positive and negative charges are attracted to each other. The next property, a charged body attracts to uncharged bodies due to electrostatic induction. Then third property is charge on your body remains unaffected by the motion. That is, the charge on your body or particle remains the same whether it is at rest or moving with any velocity. The electric charge is additive. That means, we can add all the charges and give the cumulative answer. Charge is conserved. That is, it cannot be created or destroyed by any other forces, but it can be transferred from one body to another body. The charge is quantized. That is, any physically existing charge is an integral multiples of the element charges. The next one, Coulomb's law. The scientist Coulomb, he gave the explanation about the force of attraction acting between the two charges, either force of attraction or force of repulsion. What is the statement of Coulomb's law as? The force of attraction or repulsion between 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The direction of this force is along the line joining the 2 point charges. This is called Coulomb's inverse square law. Let us see the explanation. Let us consider two charges Q1 and Q2. Both are separated by a distance r. In this case, the force of attraction or repulsion acting between the 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 is given by the formula F equal to K into Q1 Q2 by r squared. What is F is? It is the force of repulsion or force of attraction acting between the two charges Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2 are the charge values. R is the distance between the two charges. What is K here is? K is called as proportionality constant. Its value is given as K equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Its answer is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared. The constant epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space. Its constant value is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 Coulomb squared per Newton meter squared. The next important, we have to know some basic definitions. First one is electric field. It is mentioned by the letter capital E. How we define electric field is the space around the charge where it felt its influences is called electric field. The electric field strength E of a point charge q is given by the force experienced by the charge and is given by the formula is E equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square Newton per Coulomb. The next one is electric potential. It is mentioned by the letter capital V. What is electric potential is? It is defined as the work done in moving the point charge from infinity to a particular point. Unit is volt. So, generally we can define electric potential V as it is equal to the ratio between work and charge, that is W by Q. So, the unit can be written as joule per coulomb also. The next one is relation between electric field and potential. That is, what is the relation between E and V. So, let us consider a point charge Q at a distance r from a particular point A. Then the electric field E experienced by the charge is given as E equal to force acting on the charge, that is E equal to F only. When a charge Q move from a point A to other point B at a distance of dr, then the work done is given as W equal to F into dr. We know that formula work done equal to force into distance. So, with that formula we are writing as W equal to F into dr, which is equal to E into dr, because F equal to E. Then the electric potential is GV. We know what is the formula for potential is work done by charge, that is W by Q. If Q is a unit charge, then its value is equal to 1. So, then we can write the formula as V equal to W. So, in this formula we can substitute as dV equal to E into dr. We have to introduce a minus sign. So, the formula can be written as dV equal to minus E into dr. From this formula we can write as dV by dr equal to minus E, where minus sign refers the negative sign indicates the electric field and potential are in opposite direction. Thank you.